Hey guys, we are very happy that our November 22 student CA fresher, he joined our program after 5 months, I think 6 months after qualified CA. He was not getting that much of opportunity. After he joined our program, he finally able to clear the interviews in ICICI Bank Protiviti, and he will be sharing his feedback in a very brief. So, and also what are the things that you should be doing as a CA? Yes, success.
Yeah. Hello friends, myself CA Akshay. I joined GS Prime internship, I think in the month of August. So during the sessions, Ghanshyam sir was taking daily mentoring sessions, like topic-wise, specific area-wise questions are provided in the lecture. Then we have that questions and answers Q&A round every day that were ranging from 8 p.m. to somewhat around 2 to 3 a.m. in the morning sometimes. If you are lagging somewhere in the speaking skills or communication skills, and you are fearing that how would you face the interview, you should definitely join it. It will definitely help you in overcoming your fear of facing interview face to face or be virtual. So you will be having a daily practice of mock interview where the different members will be grilling you over the counter. So at the end, you won't be having any fear to face an interview. That's all.
Also, like we also help in scheduling the interviews also, because a lot of members join out here. Then that also really benefits, like like scheduling interviews. About scheduling interviews, like
Yeah,
you get connection job vacancies, in the group
sir also share
itself.
some the job vacancies, and the other members who are in the past mentees. They also share their reference if there is a vacancy in their companies or they have any reference in the industry or somewhere else. So it also helps to get you an internal reference. If internal reference is there, there's a definite chance that you will be getting a interview schedule.
Because yes, because in your case, I think so you missed the campus interview also. So it was little difficult for
Yeah,
you because the campus interview was not there. So then also it was little challenging for us also, because campus was not there, and off campus it is not that easy to get interview cleared. But I told you that if you keep on doing it, yeah, here and there, you might be getting opportunity and you might be able to clear it. So that really helps also, that we help to share all the job vacancies, and any past student is there who has cleared in somewhere. So we try to share in the group. They also refer you. So that's the benefit you get. I think great. Your feedback will help us. And in case anybody wants to join and they have any doubts, they can definitely connect with me, even Akshay. Thank you so much, Akshay.